What's up, guys? This is Casey here from Mills GM. Just wanted to bring you in today, talk to you about the Terrains. This here is a 26 Terrain Denali, my favorite trim level of any of the GMs. You'll see why in a little bit. So let's talk a little bit about it. You know what? I'm going to compare it a lot to my Green Bay Packers. You see me wearing the jersey today. We'll start with the defense. Amazing defense, you know that. Just like the Green Bay defense, the Terrain and all of our GM products have the GMC Pro Safety features. Front and cross traffic collision braking, alert, pedestrian braking, IntelliBeam headlights. I mean, the list goes on. If you need to know more about that, you can search online. Come and talk to me about it. Other than that, let's take a walk around here. Another one of my features I like to show off on the Terrains is people think that they're actually small. They're compact SUVs. If you look at the back here, it has got a huge amount of space, 30 cubic feet. If you don't have the seats down, you drop that seat down, it jumps to a little bit over 60. These things are massive compared to what you see on the outside. Let's jump inside. I'll show you a couple of the interior features. All right, we talked about defense. Let's talk about offense. What is this car giving? And right away, you can see the first thing is this big infotainment center. 15 inches. I mean, this thing is an iPad. It is amazing. It's got so many things you can do with this. You can see the maps there. You can see the 360 camera, bird's eye view camera there with all the different views. Another favorite feature is the driver information center here. And you can see you can put your maps right on the driver information center. A couple other settings. This is your gap adjust there, and then your standard setting on your driver information center. Looking up here, you got your rear view camera. One thing that took me a while to get used to, but now that I've gotten used to it, I love it. Looking down over here, you can see the Denalis have this beautiful perforated leather with the heated and cooled seats. Keep your booty at the perfect temperature in the hot and the cold. And then up here, this big panoramic sunroof. Sun's out, guns out, am I right? So you can see, like my Packers, the Terrain Denali is the complete package. Defense, offense, it's giving it all. If you need to know more information, give me a call here at Mills GM in Baxter, 218-829-3504, or just stop in and see me anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, Saturday, 8 to 5. Thanks.